Measure a segment and convert the result into a distance rule using the macro Calculate Distance rule for notch. In the first example, a yoke has been created in the back piece and the corresponding notch in the sleeve needs to be graded accordingly. After starting the macro, the measurements for the rule need to be taken. When measuring entire elements, select them with the right mouse button. Once all elements have been selected, press the return key on your keyboard and convert the measurements into a grade rule. This rule can be assigned in the next step by left-clicking onto the notch. Determine whether the notch should be coded to distance from start or end by using the left or right mouse button. Check the information in the dialog box for the clicking prompts. Lastly, decide whether to repeat the macro by clicking with the right mouse button or ending the macro by clicking left. In the second example, the missing rule for a notch will be calculated by selecting a sub-area between the start or the end of an element and a notch. When selecting a sub-area, instead of using the right mouse button, click left and select the section by clicking the element and the notch in clockwise order. A section between two notches could also be selected. Confirm your segment by pressing Return on your keyboard. Assign the rule to the notch and determine the notch coding, similarly to the first example. End the macro with a left click. The two selection methods, either selecting elements or sub-areas between notches, can be mixed.